We know that laser chips need our spatial lens combination to achieve the effect of superpower. Here is our injection workshop and one of our laser lens production processes. Workers are performing daily production and inspection. Professional darkroom testing using a million pixel high precision imaging color brightness meter with a wide linear diametric range and good V-lambda matching. High photometric accuracy can accurately and quietly get the light flux, measure the spectral light intensity distribution, ISO illuminance test analysis, key point illuminance data, to ensure that our laser light is in the best state and also in line with our philosophy of safe driving. Each laser product needs to be tested by HOS 2000 high precision fast spectroradiometer, laboratory grade. After the light is incident from the input hole, the light is reflected and diffused uniformly inside the sphere. So the light obtained by the output hole is a fair uniform diffuse beam. In this way, according to the change of the output photocurrent, the change of the luminous flux entering the integrating sphere can be known. The lumen value of the laser light bar can be as high as 29,000 lm.